May ganyan ka ba? Sabi mo, I pass funded account because of you. Maraming ano. Ay, ka na. Okay, hey guys, how are you? So, I have a good entry earlier. Uh, this is who's tuning in? Do I have a? Let me see. Hi, Sir Alan Zambrano. How are you there from New York? Thank you for tuning in. I know you are a stock market trader, and I hope you will join futures trading soon. You're one of the best trader that I know. Say hi to you, brother. And where's Lester? Say hi, Sir Lester. Okay. It's been a while since I tried. So now, because I'm not trading my real account today, so this is the combine that I have yesterday. And yesterday I have like negative for 400 to this account, and I stopped trading that last night, Asia session, and said, okay, I will resume. But today is Thursday, one of my favorite day, but I'm not trading for my real account, Express Funded account, because I already have a good profit last 2 days ago, 3 days ago, and yesterday. So I decided to trade the combine just to give you something just to share my strategy to you. So I already have a good trade earlier. Let's see how much I have. So here I have 485. I lost 130 so 145 this 485 this AM session, and I have that during market opening, which is 9:30 a.m. So let's review the strategy again. Okay, let's review it fast. We have the signal here to sell. That's the cross over there. Crossing of moving average. Or is it there? Cruising. So moving average exponent and moving average 9 and exponential moving average 21 cross. That gives us the signal to enter the market to short, right? But after that, we need more confirmation. Second confirmation, it's on the description, guys, if you want to follow. It's the shift of the super trend to bearish. That's step number two. And then number three is the formation. We need to have, well, let's see this. Wait. Let's see this market because it's moving right now. I think it's because of the news. So we will not trade. We'll trade at 10 a.m. I don't trade during the news time. So we will hunt set up after 10 a.m. So we will let this market play today at this time because of the news. So we have a news, and it's a big impact news. So here, it's about S&P, and it's a good one. It's a positive news. So let's see how the market react. Uh, yeah. So yeah, second step to enter the market here, and then after that we have a displacement, which is this is the displacement down. We have a displacement. This displacement here, short displacement that create market structure shift, and this is the market structure shift here. But I have a rules that I don't trade before 9:30 a.m. So um, I did not enter to this optimum entry here because we do have an optimum entry here. Uh, Optimum entry here. There's a fair value gap for the bearish fair value gap, but as you can see, because of this displacement and followed by manipulation, there's no way that the price will retest that one. So this is a void. So it's not a fair value gap anymore. It's not a high probability fair value gap. It's a void. Bearish fair value, but it's a void. Now, 9:30 a.m. market opens, and we have a good displacement candle and a fair value gap, and it's a high probability fair value gap on a high volume, and that is your entry if you enter the market. But in my case, I entered here, and then I have my take profit here. Now let's see this. Let's see this. Let's see what how the price moves. Let's observe the price action, and we will see. Uh, we are still on consolidation on a height on a we're still consolidating on a high volume. And although we are on consolidation, the super trend support bearish trend. So let's see. So if you see this, there's no way that I will enter the market because this is a consolidation, and one of the weakness of this strategy is consolidation. Uh, I mentioned that many times. And last night I explained last night we had a bad market during Asia session, and I think I explained well. I even intended to lose last night on Asia session because I want to show you that you cannot beat the market if it is on consolidation. Even though you have a clear setup, you cannot beat the market because that's the weakness of this strategy. So we are on 1 minute time frame, and we mainly scalp 1 minute time frame down to 15 seconds. So let's see if we will displace. I really don't want to enter the market until 10 a.m. So I will hold my yeah. Let's hold it. Let's go to 15 seconds and we'll see 30 seconds first. Let's assess. So we are still on the consolidation zone. It's not that wide, so it's a low probability to scalp this consolidation because it's not that wide. All right, let's go down more to 15 seconds. Okay, in 15 seconds, most likely you have a chance. So we displace, but I'm not really confident to enter the market right now unless I will see a good displacement going down as a continuation of this move. But I think this is a we are in consolidation. Let's wait for manipulation, manipulation down maybe, or manipulation up. If we'll go to 15 seconds, let's see. All right, so we break the previous consolidation, and maybe we're creating a new consolidation range. So unless you see a good displacement that will leave a good high probability fair value gap or a void, and then that's it. Maybe that's a sell. But you see, the market is keep on coming back to this area at this time on a 15 seconds time frame. So I don't want to enter the market really. Uh, the news didn't do much, you see, right? And let's see, maybe we still have a big impact news coming. So maybe that's the reason that this market is consolidating. Traders are not yet decided to move the market. So let's wait. Let's wait for 10 a.m. 10 a.m. or maybe 10:30. So patience is the key. So wait for your setup. Let the market come to you. Let the market come to you. Control your emotion. Hi, drawing lover. I do not have Discord. I do not have Telegram. I'm sharing my strategy for free. I don't need any payment, so that's why I'm using YouTube. I do live if I have a time, and then if I don't have a time, I'm posting some videos just to. I only share this strategy. I have another strategy, but I think this is the one that you need if you're trading futures. But if you are trading forex, I have another strategy for forex and swing trader, or if you are holding your trade for a night. But since futures is one of the best right now, I'm only sharing this, and my aim or my goal is to help my fellow new traders to leverage futures and to avoid to minimize their loss. And if you are scalping, maybe you will love this. I put down the all about steps or all about you need to know about the strategy on the description, and you can backtest that. And I think I don't need to explain it further because it's super easy strategy and it's free. It's on any platform, any broker or any chart. It's available on any platform. Moving average 9 smooth with a smooth moving average 10. Length is 9, yes. Source is closed. Supertrend length 14, factor 13, factor 3, and exponential moving average 21. Uh, Source is closed. That's the only strategy that I'm using to this that's the only indicator that I'm using to this strategy. All right. So, of course, it's not always a win. And the weakness of this strategy, number one, is the user, of course. Even though we have a good strategy or perfect strategy, it always the user will, we are not a robot, so we have an emotion, and sometimes emotion affects our strategy and affects our execution. So that's we are the first and the the weakest of the link is the user of the strategy. Second, the weakness of this strategy is the consolidation, the one we are seeing right now. So if you are in consolidation, you will not trade. Uh, so if you are a new trader, maybe you won't be able to use this perfectly because in order for you to use this strategy, you need to learn. You need to learn basic concept of the chart. Like you don't need the fancy actually. You don't need a fancy analysis. You only need to you need to learn basic candle formation. The reversal pattern like that. The how the candles work. Japanese candle works. You need that because you need that to in order for you to analyze the market. Number two, you need to learn the three basic concept of the market price action, the manipulation, the consolidation, manipulation, and distribution. It's really helpful in all of the trading, trading strategy. And then number three that you need to learn is a market price action. So price action, I mainly learned price action through smart money concept. And I was previously ICT trader, but I'm not really profitable using ICT. So uh, I I find my own. I was losing a lot of. I was losing a lot, blowing account after account. So I said, okay, I've been trading for long. I started forex, cryptocurrency, and now I'm in future. But I'm still trading all of those, including stock market. So right now, uh, because I'm not really doing well on trading, and I have a lot of fancy analysis and fancy strategy. I use ICT. I'm using a lot of time and effort to learn a lot of things. So I said, okay, this is not working. So I went back to learning the basic. So learning the basic will lead you to a profit. What is the what are those basic? If you try to simplify your trading strategy to basic like support and resistance, trend line, candlestick pattern, those are the basic. And if you are trading Nasdaq, this is an indices, and this is all about the stock market. The only thing you need to worry about is the news because it causes manipulation. And after that, the basic idea of sell high and buy low because we're talking about stock market. That's the basic idea. And then after that, I found out that moving average worked best for me because I am a scalper on a future. I have no choice but to scalp because we cannot hold a trade for a night on futures, especially on a funded account. So that's why I choose to scalp, and moving average works best for me. So I invent like I tried to mix a lot of moving averages, and then until I found out this one, I back tested it for 3 months, and then after on that 3 months, I passed multiple combined, and then got funded. So then after that, okay, I think I need to share this strategy the way of to other people. Maybe it will help them. And then aside from that, my aim also, if once you know this strategy, and then do you think we need to improve it to reach a more high probability trade or winning percentage? And you can share it to me and said, hey, maybe you need to add some of this, or you need to add this analysis like that. So yeah, we can you can do that. Okay. So right now, I hate consolidation. We will not have anything like on this market on a 1 minute time frame. So I think I will switch to micro, but we'll see. Uh, let's see the 15 minutes second. Yeah. So yeah, I was on ICT. Yeah, like you. I don't know how good at you on ICT, but I'm bad at ICT. Um, it doesn't work for me. So I even enrolled to a course like Smart Money Concept, learning the liquidity. For me, liquidity is it's just liquidity concept. It's unreliable. It's support and resistance is more reliable if you ask me. I don't I know I think I understand liquidity, but I think it's better to use an order book if you're trading futures. Yep. I don't know. So some are like getting a lot. Like some are good at using ICT, but I prove it. For me, it doesn't really work, and I'm starting to think it's a fraud. I'm sorry, but maybe no. Maybe I'm not good at ICT because that's why while sharing this strategy, I'm also doing live trading. So I am transparent on how I use this. So if you saw me like having a emotional entry or having you know losing, it's not because of the strategy, maybe because of my execution. And sometimes I don't follow. I don't sometimes I break my own rules because I get emotional. So I'm still an emotional trader, but I'm trying to trade like a robot. And actually doing live, actually I do live heavily on Asia. It is because it's slow market and I have a time to talk and I have a time to share the strategy. So I seldom do a live during New York session. The only reason I do a live right now because I'm not using my real account. And then my favorite actually is of course New York AM and London. And I do not do live by that time because I'm 100% focused on my trade and it's a fast market and I should be like 100% concentrating. The only reason I do live right now it's because of this because of uh, because of I'm using combine. Yeah, emotion. I think that's the hardest part of trading. Trading is easy if you have a solid strategy and you know what are you doing and if you're following certain rule. But emotion or the psychology of trading is the hardest part, and especially if you are new to trading, hardest that it can get. I don't know if some of you had an experience of like it's like you like getting addicted to it, and you feel like you are not happy if you cannot trade even though once you hit your liquidity you are and then you block your account for a day and you feel like you cannot eat, you're depressed, you want to trade. So that's kind of addicting, and that's an emotion. So my rules is once I hit my stop loss twice, I'm done. And then now I I put my risk to only 400 on my real account. And because I'm trading during New York time, I'm trading mini. So I have like two entry with the 200. I'm sorry, I'm trading micro, two mini with a 200 stop loss. And since I am scalping, I leverage that much. Like the stop loss of 400 is high enough for this strategy. So once I enter because the only reason you will lose on this strategy is once you enter wrong, once you enter consolidation, the weakness, and so once your setup is you enter on a you did not follow your setup. That's the only reason. Once you lost twice, meaning you did not enter on an optimum entry or you did not follow the rules of the strategy. So because of that, you say, okay, I'm emotional. I'm done for today. I don't want to lose. I don't want to revenge. So the one good reason that what you can do is to set your uh, to set your the setting here to to, like for example, right now, I'll put my there and then liquidate in block once you lost 500 lunch. So once I lost 500 to this account, so I'm done for today. So that's the thing. All right, now let's resume the market. We're good to go. We have the crossing, and let's go to 15 seconds because it's high volume, and then let's enter the market right now, and I'll explain to you why I'm entering the market. 200, I'm loose. Let's go there. 300, and let's go back to 1 minute time frame so it's more clear, and then let's aim for. Uh, I need the 1,500, right? Or 1,400. No, 445, yeah. Because, okay. So you see, while I'm talking 10 a.m., in a one glance, I saw my indicator, I saw my strategy, and I will explain to you, see, how it works. So, while I'm talking, and then I'm lucky that I saw this crossing here. That's our step number one. It's on the description. Crossing of moving average 9 to exponential moving average 21. I saw that, but I don't have a fair value gap here on this time, and I have a switch of the Supertrend to bull, supporting our bias. That's the step number two. But I don't have a right. I don't have a fair value gap. So while this candle are forming a while ago and one it's closed, I don't have a fair value gap, but I have a displacement. Sorry, I have a displacement candle. This displacement candle, so our stop loss should be here. Uh, that's not the real stop loss. That's so high. And we have this market shift. We have a market shift. We broke that consolidation upper zone, and we have a market shift formation here. Market shift. So that's a confirmation that the market is reversing, right? And we could be wrong. So this is continuation, and I'm done. So that's a continuation. So I lost. Let me see. So I don't have a good fair value gap on a 1 minute time frame. So that's the reason I hit my. Oh, not yet. Let's enter the market. I hope I can enter the market more. Let's go to the 15 minutes. I will. Yeah, so let's go 15 seconds. This is the fair value gap that I took on 15 seconds. Because I. No, that not one, this one here. Bullish fair value gap. Okay. So I was too short on my stop loss. My stop loss should be. You see this small fair value gap in 15 seconds. My stop loss should be here at least on this one. So that's why I hit my. But the reason why I did not put it here because I'm risking a lot. So yep, I'm risking a lot. Now I will go to micro, and let's go to 1 minute. And maybe this is I don't think so. This is a continuation step set up to go down. I'm still un, unless we cross unless this blue line will cross the red, and then that's the exit. If I'm still in right now, that will be my exit. But I'm out already, and that, supposed to be this is my on a 1 minute time frame. This is supposed to be my stop loss because we have a good fair value gap here. You know, I will enter this market. This is a combine, so it's okay. Let's go to 1,000. Uh, yeah, we'll enter this market one more time. Stop loss should be here on a 1 minute time frame. So my fair value gap doesn't include the week. It's different from the ICT. Yep. Let's see. Let's see the 30 seconds. Okay. I'm out. I'm out because we cross and it's a high volume. And we nullify this bullish fair value gap and we have a change. And let's put this is our new zone. And it's not a trending market. We're still on the consolidation. So that's the weakness of this strategy. Okay. So now I'm done. I don't have an entry anymore, but maybe I can give you some example on how this strategy work on trending market. I failed once and cost me 600. I have a profit of 400, but I'm negative 600 on this combined. So I will wait for a setup or a trend market and then I will enter again. So that's how you use this strategy. We'll see. Let me see the 15 seconds. On 15 seconds. So the volume is high on 1 minute and we don't have a good volatility or I mean we don't have a good setup. I think 15 minutes is a good scalping time frame. Yeah. So I'll use 6, but I'm already late to this on this setup. Already, it's already late. You see, it's already late. I hope, yeah. I hope I use 15 seconds. It's already late. If I, 15 seconds, already have a 1 is to 2 here. We already have 1 is to 2. So I think, let's scalp 15 seconds, but I'm done I'm done today. Okay. Yeah, 1 is to 2 on a 15 seconds time frame. We don't have a trending market, but yesterday market is really good, and if we try to, we can replay that if you want, and I will show you how to execute this. I have a video if you want to watch, and I live yesterday. Yeah, I have a live on Asia session, and I show my trade how I traded the last yesterday New York session. 1 is to 2 in continuation. And 1 minute time frame is still. I think this. All right. So yeah, I hit my tolerance more than used to, and in a real account I will not do that. But I was just trying to show you. So this is this is like more a lot for me. If this is a real account, this is a lot for me. My tolerance is only 400, uh, and if I lost 400 in a day, I'm done for the day. And if I have more than 10,000 profit in a day, I'm done for a week. So that's my rule. But this is combined, and I'm not trading right now for a real money. So yep. Thank you for tuning in, and I need to go. It's already 10, and don't see the market is really interesting for me, and I lost 644. So I will take my revenge later at Asia session to pass this combine. And I want because I don't want to blow this 50K account because I want to use this as a as a live account. I trade. I do live heavily on Asia time frame, and I will use this one. So, so thank you. So you see, we have a good strategy, but the market is not good. So that's why limit yourself to 2 loss a day, and then after that you're done. Forget about the market. and I have a two loss now, but uh, it's a big loss. Thank you so much. Bye.